Still have the hiccups.
Back with another cancer video. Let's do this.
I got the video after this. It's not cancer, but...
Anyway.
I just got a Snapchat from someone I haven't talked to.
Describe the video.
It's by, You're gonna make me talk while I have the hiccups. I need medicine.
We do not sponsor. We do not
this
sponsor.
Is product placement.
We do not sponsor.
Everyone, use code Johnny at Mondelez. Why am I?
Fucking breathe.
I need to like hold my breath. That's how you. I'll be back.
I'm a fucking walking paradox. No, I'm not. Threesomes with a fucking triceratops. Reptar, rapping as I'm mocking deaf rock stars. Wearing synthetic wigs made of anwars. Dreadlocks, bedrock, harder than a motherfucking Flintstone. Making crack rocks out of pussy nigga fish bones. This nigga Jasper tryna get grown. About 5'7" of his bitches in my bedroom. Swallow the cinnamon. I'ma scribble this shit and shit while Sid is telling me that she's been getting intimate with me. I gave the number to my therapist. You tell him all your problems. He's fucking awesome with listening.
Get your ass in here.
I still have hiccups.
For fuck's sake.
I got a Snapchat this chick who.
Fucking hell, man.
I don't know her and. Oh. You know what? This girl's asking me how I am. I'm gonna be very honest. I have the fucking hiccups and it's making me want to die.
Yes, yes. Say hi to the world. Yes, yes. Go back to your cage. Oh. Okay, how to get rid of hiccups? Scare someone. Ah!
I don't have hiccups anymore. I'm so mad. I'm so enraged.
Breathe into a paper bag. That's not a paper. Actually, that is a paper bag.
This is gonna be an experience. What? You can't do it with this.
No, you can't.
Why do you have paper bags in your room?
To make those.
It didn't work!
Here, pick one of these.
I need to go with Squidward. I'm gonna crumple it up.
I don't give a fuck. I can make more.
Here's how we'll go about this.
This is gonna be our new video now. I'm not gonna title this. I'm gonna call it fucking Jack It Off.
I'm breathing into Squidward. It's just better to breathe into Squidward. Can we continue now?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. What are we doing?
That's what you're gonna do.
What am I gonna do?
Didn't you say you had a video?
Let me look it up.
Use your phone.
I'm connecting. Am I connecting to your speakers? I love my life! Alright, let's see if it's working.
Hi.
Yep. Alright. So this is called If Pharmaceutical Ads Were Real Life.
Yes.
Travis, I'm gonna kill myself.
There's bleach in the fucking...
Don't eat apples! Don't! Don't!
Anyway, describe, please.
No, I'll do it back.
Oh my god, you're so...
I'll be like 2 seconds, you little baby bitch. Okay.
Okay.
If pharmaceutical as were real life. By Zebra Corner.
Hi,
Do it again.
I'm Frank.
My headphone jack is jacked up.
Take one.
Shit.
Vantic for OIC. Opioid-induced constipation.
Frank can't poop.
Hi, I'm Frank.
Hey, Frank, you doing that thing about how you can't poop? Man, how embarrassing that
sit
must be
down.
since, you know,
Why?
you're a real person and not an
Speakers
actor.
are not good here.
Sorry, you guys go ahead, continue. So, I got a lot of spare time here on the job site. You know, I spend probably about 70% of my day coming up with nicknames for Frank. Frank the Poop Bank, Frank the Septic Tank, Frank his butt stinks, Frank's not poop, the Diary of Poopless Frank, you know, because his poop's hiding in the attic.
I had a bad back injury. My doctor prescribed opioids, which helped with the chronic pain, but backed me up. Big time.
Gross, Frank, disgusting. It's funny when we talk about it, but not when you talk about it.
Tried prunes, laxatives.
Taco Bell, the dirty kebab shop on Merrimack. I heard his wife even put her finger up his butt.
Still constipated.
You know, maybe if you didn't take a handful of oxys every day, you could poop. You want to poop or you want to get high on your pain pills all day? You know, Frank tried quitting one time. It was like Leo in the Basketball Diaries.
This reminds me of that Star Wars
You know, no
joke
willpower on
that
that guy.
they made
Had to
when
talk to my doctor. She said, "How long
the
you been
new one
holding
came
this
out.
in?" That was my Movantic moment.
Let me
Force
tell you
Awakens,
about
yeah.
his romantic moment. It smelled like 2 dead fish having sex
Like,
together. Ever since Frank started taking that Movantic, I mean, the guy can't stop pooping. The guy's a walking poop bomb. I mean, a serious security threat here. Uh-oh, Frank's having a Movantic moment. Let's suit up, fellas. Hey, Frank, you want me to bring you a towel like last time? Oh, God, a little came through my mask. This is exactly why I don't shake hands. Hi, I'm Mark. And you just watched a minute-long poop joke. You're not gonna get that back.
Say holy shark. Holy fuck! Yeah, say holy shark.
Please fuck
Holy
off.
fuck!
Okay, that was it.
Say holy shark.
Yeah. Holy fuck.
Say holy shark.
Holy fuck.
This is what we need.
Fuck off, no.
We're no strangers to love.
Hold it. Hold it.
You know the rules, and so do I. A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this far. I just wanna tell you how I feel.
This is what I have to deal with.
Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around. Desert you. Never gonna.
Yep, that was it. This is our cancer.
You're cancer.
Anyway.
Give me my phone back. I gotta Snapchat that weirdo.
Okay. Say bye.